Yes. So, uh, you- the Guru saw everything in a vision. He had magic powers. He could see far and could see the future as he could see the present and the past. Means the Guru was very wise man. He had magical powers, and that's why he has the power to see the past, present, and future. So that's why whatever prayer was made by his disciple, he saw everything in vision. He arrived at once to save his disciple who had got himself into a such scrape. Scrape means a difficult situation that one has got into means एक ऐसी सिचुएशन जिसमें कोई व्यक्ति बुरी तरह से फंस गया हो. So he arrived at once to save his disciple who had got himself into such a scrape through love of food. Means his disciple was a lover of food, and only for food he denied not to go with his guru, and he decided to stay in that kingdom of fools, and that's why right now he is in such a situation that he was to be killed. So Guru was Guru, you understand. He never leaves alone his disciples, so he came at once there. As soon as he arrived, he scolded the disciple and told him something in a whisper. Means just after arriving, he scolded badly to the disciple. उसने अपने शिष्य को बुरी तरह से डांटा and told him something in a whisper. Means something whisper means secretly in his ears he said some words. Said some words. Then he went to the king and addressed him. What he addressed? Then he went to the king, means he approached to the king and addressed him. उनको संबोधित करते हुए बोला, O wisest of kings, who is greater, the guru or the disciple? He asked the question to king, O wisest, O सबसे बुद्धिमान king, who is greater? Who is greater means who is superior out of a guru and a disciple. You just tell me that who is superior, guru or the disciple. What answered king? Of course, the guru, no doubt about it. Why do you ask? Then put me the stake first. Put my disciple to death after me. Guru said that if you admit that Guru is superior and bigger than the disciple, then you do one thing. You just put me to the stake first. सबसे पहले पनिशमेंट मुझे दिया जाए, मुझे स्टेक पर चढ़ाया जाए, and put my disciple to death after me. And after that, after my death, my disciple should be put on stake. So it was a strange thing. When the disciple heard this, he understood and began to clamor. Began to clamor means began to claim aggressively. Started to claim aggressively. And जब ये सारी चीज़ें उसके शिष्य ने सुनी तो उसने सारी चीज़ों को समझ लिया और वो क्लेम करने लग गया. क्या? फर्स्ट मी, सबसे पहले मैं. यू ब्रॉट मी हियर फर्स्ट, पुट मी टू डेथ फर्स्ट, नॉट हिम. And he urged the king that, O king, you brought me here first, not my guru. So first of all, I should be given the death penalty first, not my guru. The guru and the disciple now got into a fight about who should go first. Means there was an argument. They started fighting with each other, both guru and disciple. And what was the matter of their fight? That who should be punished first, who should be killed first. The king was puzzled by this behavior. Puzzled means परेशान हो गया इससे, इस behavior से. He asked the guru, why do you want to die? Why do you want to die means why तुम मरना क्यों चाहते हो? We chose him because we needed a fat man for the stake. Why? He asked the guru that why you want to die. We chose this man, your disciple, because he is fit. He is fat enough to fit in the stake. You shouldn't ask me such question. Put me death first, replied the guru. लेकिन गुरु बहुत चालाक थे. उन्होंने क्या कहा? ये सब क्वेश्चन आप मुझसे मत पूछिए, आप तुरंत मुझे मौत की सजा दे दीजिए. Why? There's something mystery here. As a wise man, you must make me understand. Why? There is some. Now, the king was under suspicion that there is something mystery, and he asked, you are a wise man. You just tell me that what is the mystery behind this. Now, the Guru convinced the king, and he asked him, will you promise to put me to death if I tell you? Means, if you promise me that you will kill me first on stake, I will tell you the mystery. I will tell you the reason why should I want to die. Why I want to die? Asked the Guru. The king gave him his solemn words. Solemn words means his words he gave, and he said that, okay, whatever you are asking, I will fulfill it. The Guru took him aside out of the servant's earshot. Earshot means जो गुरु थे वो उस किंग को दूर ले गए, वहां से साइड में ले गए, उस जगह से जहां पर उसके सर्वेंट उसकी बात ना सुन सके. एंड विस्पर टू हिम, और उसके कान में बोले, डू यू नो वाई वी वॉन्ट टू डाई राइट नाउ, द टू ऑफ अस. मीन्स you want to know that why we want to die right now. We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or a king like you. Now, students, you can understand what he is doing. He is trying to trap the king in his words. He says that we have been, means we have been different parts of the world. हम बहुत सारी दुनिया में घूमे हैं, बहुत घूमे हैं पूरी दुनिया में, बट वी हैवंट फाइंड अ किंगडम लाइक यू. ऐसा सिटी, ऐसा शहर हमने नहीं देखा, एंड वी हैवंट सीन अ किंग लाइक यू. द स्टेक इज द स्टेक ऑफ द गॉड ऑफ जस्टिस. एंड जो स्टेक है, दिस इज नॉट अ स्टेक, इट इज द स्टेक ऑफ द जस्टिस. ये स्टेक ऑफ द गॉड ऑफ जस्टिस, मतलब भगवान के न्याय की का स्टेक है. इट्स न्यू, ये एकदम नया है. इट हैज नेवर हैड अ क्रिमिनल ऑन इट. मीन्स बिफोर दिस नोबडी हैज बीन किल्ड ऑन दिस स्टेक. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम. दिस इज न्यूली बिल्ट. Whoever dies on it first will be the future minister. Sorry, whoever dies it first will be reborn as the king of this country. Means जो भी इस स्टेक पर सबसे पहले जिसकी मौत होगी, जिसको मारा जाएगा, he will reborn and he will be the king of this country later. And whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country. Means the second victim, the person who will be killed secondly on this stake will be the minister of this country in future. We are sick of our ascetic life. Ascetic means sannyasi life. हम एकदम बोर हो चुके हैं अपने इस सन्यासी लाइफ से. इट वुड बी नाइस टू एंजॉय अवर सेल्फ एज किंग एंड मिनिस्टर फॉर अ वाइल. और इसीलिए हम चाहते हैं कि एज ए किंग और मिनिस्टर की तरह हम भी लाइफ कुछ एंजॉय कर सकें. नाउ कीप योर वर्ड्स माय लॉर्ड एंड पुट अस टू दैट. मी फर्स्ट, रिमेंबर. नाउ द गुरु सेज दैट ओके, I have told you according to your words. You gave me words that if I will tell you the mystery, I will tell you the secret. Why do I want to die? Why my disciple wants to die? You will fulfill my desire. You will put me on stake first. You will give a punishment of death first. So keep your words. The king was now thrown into deep thought. This thing made the king think deeply. He didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. Next round of life means पुनर्जन्म के बाद दूसरे जन्म में वो ये किंगडम किसी और के हाथों में देना नहीं चाहता था. He needed time. उसको टाइम की जरूरत थी. So means डिसीजन लेने के लिए. So he ordered the execution postponed to the next day and talked in secret with his minister. So what he did, he postponed the execution. Postponed the execution means to say put off the execution for further time.